welcome back. So today I finally am filming a very long awaited video. I always get a ton of questions about how I curl my hair, how it's so voluminous and everything. And if you followed me a year ago, I used to always have straight hair like this. This is my naturally straight hair. I curl my hair way too often now, which I know is extremely bad, but it really makes a big difference. I do consider curling my hair part of the process of glowing up. I don't think people have just like one glow up. I think every few months I discover one thing that really suits me, and then I just stick to it religiously, like curling my hair. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. I find that this type of hairstyle really frames my face because I do have a very round face, and having straight hair that just sticks to your scalp is just very unflattering, especially that my hair is extremely oily. Before, I used to put on makeup and I would look at myself in the mirror and I would be like, there's just something that is missing, there's just something that still doesn't look good. And now that I figured out how to do my hair, I think I'm pretty satisfied with like my kind of beauty routine, let's say. So today I'm gonna be using 3 hair tools, and it is not sponsored by T3, but all of these hair tools happen to be from T3. I took a shower this morning and my hair is still a bit wet, and I just wanted to use it. This is their compact hair dryer, and it does come with the nozzle here, but I won't be using it. Okay, did you hear the sound? I don't know if you guys missed the sound, but now I'm gonna be using the, what's it called? T3 Curl ID, and I think this is, I'm not sure if it's their biggest barrel or not, but when I do these waves, I do like when the barrel's big, so it looks more natural. If I have the time, I'll do my whole head with just using this barrel, but I have so much hair that, first of all, I don't have enough heat rollers. So how I'm going to show it to you guys today is like doing half of my hair with a curl ID, and the rest of my hair I'm going to use a straightener because it's faster. But there are some really interesting settings on here, and just input like the length of the hair, if your hair was dyed or not. So you guys heard a little tone playing, it means that it's ready. So I'm gonna start with that. I live in Canada, more specifically in Montreal, Quebec, which actually I really want to move out. I've lived here my entire life, but the older I grow, the more I feel like I really don't belong here. I have no idea why I'm in this city, honestly. Like, I really feel like I don't belong here. I don't connect with the people around me here. I feel very unhappy, I guess, let's say. I know that part of me is a very introverted person, but the environment I'm surrounded with really does affect my my will to socialize. I'm 23 now, and I've never felt the need to socialize with the people around here. I still have to do some research to see where I want to live, like where I want to move. I don't know if I want to move to a totally different country or not, because I do know that being able to grow up in Canada is already a privilege because we have so many advantages. I usually start from the back here because that's just how I roll. Guys, got it. Okay. Like this, and then I clip it. The whole point of rollers is just for it to cool down in the same shape of the roller. I just keep doing this. I think you guys get the point, right? Okay. I honestly don't know if this is how you do it, but this is how I use my curling. Okay, so I left a bit of hair so we can straighten. We're not straightening it, but we're curling it with a straightener. And this is the gorgeous straightener. I think this is the prettiest pool out of all three. Just look at the curve, it's gorgeous. Yeah. Sometimes like some of the hair just gets out. But it doesn't work very well because some of the hair like kind of gets out. You have to really align it. I started yesterday a new show on Netflix and it's called Chestnut Man, and it's basically a crime show. It's pretty scary and I'm wondering what's gonna happen next. Okay, so you can see these curls are super curly, so they don't really need to be put in a hair roller because you kind of want them to calm down. But that's how I do it with the straightener, and it looks super cute. Especially these ones, I never know, they're always so straight. Finally brought them down here. Touch pa Haku's shoe. Okay, now it's time to remove all of these, which is always the best part. Right, Haku? Right, Haku? I saw like a video about how this girl removed her hair roller, which makes perfect sense. It's just I forget to do it. But she removes it like this by rolling it. The COVID cases here in Montreal are very bad, so we're technically back in lockdown again. Haku, you keep farting and it smells so bad. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I did my hair extremely well this time. It's probably because of you guys. My hair looks amazing. Now I kind of feel bad that I'm not going anywhere. Maybe I should make some plans. But as you can see, it's extremely curly and you might be like, whoa, that's not how curly I want it to be. Don't worry. I love how this is. There are several things you can do and you should do if you want. First thing is that I usually put some hair oil in here. Don't put it here because that's just, no, that's not what you're supposed to do. And don't brush through the hair or else the curls are just gonna go away. Just like kind of do this. Another product I use is this one. It's called Loma and it's a calming cream, and it really just does calm your baby hair. How it looks. It's so cute. Now I wish I had a date or something so I can look cute. This is how I do my hair and it's so cute. It is very cute. I know I'm gonna get a few comments or a few people saying, wow, that takes way too much time. How do you even have that much time to do this? I mean, that's your problem. If this can make my day and make me feel more confident and just complete my whole look, I will do it. But then when you get the hang of it, it's very fast and it just looks cute with everything, I tell you. And I look super different from the start, if you can remember the frame. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'm not very good with explanation and instructions, but I hope you guys will be able to reproduce this hairstyle. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!